Last month, I earned over £6,000 from Google Play Books. And the crazy part, I've only published 11 books on this platform. Meanwhile, Amazon KDP is getting harder. Competition keeps increasing every day, and some publishers have even had their accounts suspended or terminated after spending months building their catalogs. That's exactly why I decided to stop depending on just one publishing platform. In this video, I'm going to show you my real Google Play Books earnings, refresh everything live, explain why audiobooks now generate most of my royalties, and show you how you can get started too. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Hello everyone, this is Bullion from Bullion Academy. If you're interested in self-publishing, Amazon KDP, Google Play Books, audiobook publishing, and learning practical ways to make money online, make sure you subscribe because that's exactly what we do in this channel. Now let's get into it. Before anyone misunderstands me, I'm not saying Amazon KDP doesn't work. There are still many people making great money from Amazon KDP, but one thing nobody can deny is this: it's becoming more competitive. Every single day, thousands of new books are being uploaded. Standing out and ranking is becoming more difficult in Amazon KDP. And on top of that, we have seen stories of publishers who had their KDP accounts suspended or terminated, whether it happened because of policy issues, content problems, or something else. It reminds us of one important lesson: depending on only one platform can be very risky. That's why I started asking myself, what other publishing platforms are out there? And that's how I found Google Play Books. Now, let me show you exactly what I'm talking about. This is my real Google Play Books dashboard. No screenshots, no editing tricks. This is my real dashboard. And as you can see, within the past 30 days, I've earned over £6,000. And if I switch to 7 days, you can see another £890 in just 1 week. Now look over here. You can see I only have 11 books which is currently live. That's it. Just 11 books. Not 100, not 200. Only 11 books. That is earning me over £800 in a week. So naturally, the next question becomes, how are these books making this money? Here's what surprised me the most. The majority of my earnings are actually coming from audiobooks. If you check my previous video, the link in the description box below, you see my most earnings comes from audiobooks. Think about it. People are busier than ever. They are driving, walking, going to the gym, traveling. A lot of people now prefer listening to books instead of sitting down to read them. That's one reason the audiobook industry has been growing so fast. And here's something many people don't know. If you're outside supported countries, publishing audiobooks through Amazon ACS platform isn't available in the same way it is for creators in places like the US, the UK, the Canada, and Ireland. Finding another route into audiobook publishing is completely what changed my perspective. And that's why I believe this is an opportunity for many publishers to explore. Now I want to hear from you. Do you think Amazon KDP is becoming more competitive? Or do you think people are simply publishing the wrong books? Let me know in the comment section. I'm just curious. I'm genuinely curious. And if you are serious about building an income from audiobook publishing, comment books right now in the comment section. I'll personally read through the comments and answer as many questions as I can. Who knows? Your comment might inspire my next video. But make sure you share this video to your friends, to your publishers, your authors, your friends that are into publishing. Now, obviously, I can't explain my complete audiobook strategy in one YouTube video. Choosing the right books, producing the books, publishing them, and actually getting consistent sales. That's completely different from uploading books and hoping they sell. I'm not here to teach you how to publish. I'm here to teach you how you can generate money and income from publishing. And if you want to learn the exact audiobook production process and publishing workflow I have been using to generate this income, check the link in the description box below. You can reach out to me there and I'll show you how to get started right away. Now, if you found this video valuable, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and share this video with another publisher who is looking for more opportunities beyond relying on just one platform, which is Amazon KDP, which is oversaturated. And subscribe. Make sure you do subscribe. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Have a nice day.